Hello, welcome. We are four students of automatic engineering here to present to you our Python program. We created a travel agency called MariaSole that helps people plan their perfect holiday, giving a choice of 5 countries: Italy, Germany, France, England, and Spain, in order to ask all the questions about the possible sites to visit. Giving a better look at the program, you can see we use the NLTK library. With the keyword import, we loaded all its functions. And with the keyword download, we loaded all its resources. NLTK is a natural language toolkit, a platform for building Python programs to work with human language data. It provides interfaces such as WordNet, along with text processing libraries for classification, tokenization, stemming, tagging, parsing, and semantic reasoning. The third section of the program is used for the importation of packages that enables the actions just listed. From NLTK, we imported Word Tokenize that returns the tokenized copy of the document, where tokens are the smallest units of the text. So in this case, they are words divided by a space. Stop words that filters stop words like be, is, are, and there is no universal list of stop words. However, the NLTK module contains a list of stop words. Regex parser uses a sequence of rules to find chunks of a single type within a text. Porter stemmer removes morphological affixes from words, leaving only the word stem, while send tokenize applies the tokenization to a full sentence. And then we have post tag that uses NLTK's part of speech tagger to tag the given list of tokens.
Other important libraries are string that contains a number of useful constants and classes, as well as some legacy functions that are also available as method on strings. NumPy that deals with numerical operations. Random that imports the random module, which contains a variety of things to do with random number generation. URL lib request that defines functions and classes which help in opening URLs, mostly HTTP. Re provides full support for regular expression in Python. A regular expression is a special sequence of characters that helps you match or find other strings or sets of strings using a specialized syntax held in a pattern. BS4 Beautiful Soup is a Python library for pulling data out of HTML and XML files. sklearn is a free machine learning library for Python. It features various algorithms like support vector machine and supports Python numerical and scientific libraries. The program imports count vectorizer and cosine similarity from sklearn. Cosine similarity is a metric used to measure how similar the documents are regardless of their size. Mathematically, it measures the cosine of the angle between two vectors projected in a multidimensional space. The cosine similarity is advantageous because even if two similar documents are far apart by the Euclidean distance due to the size of the document, chances are they may still be oriented closer together. The smaller the angle, the higher the cosine similarity. Count vectorizer converts a collection of text documents to a matrix token of counts. The following function select identify the country of choice and returns the URL of the website from which we import the knowledge base.
The function internet uses select's output to import the content of the website. At first, it opens the URL file and reads its text. After dividing it in paragraphs, it copies in the knowledge base, which is then separated in sentences, token, and finally lemmatized. When MariaSole asks what information the customer needs, this question is inserted in a loop, which ends when the user writes no or one of the X codes. To answer the customer's question, the program searches in the correspondent country's website with the function response. Response calls lem tokens and lem normalize. Lem token links each token to its correspondence root, excluding stop words. Lem normalize uses the previous function to lemmatize the full text and eliminate punctuation.
To answer the customer's question, the program searches in the correspondent country's websites with the function response. At first, the response adds the user's question to the knowledge base. Through count vectorizer, the text is converted into a vector, and its elements are separated by the function lemNormalize. Max features indicates the maximum number of stems that can be part of a sentence. CVFit transform transforms the text into a matrix with the knowledge base sentences as first line and the stems as first column. As a result, we have vectors. Each one is characterized by its similarity coefficient, calculated between all the knowledge base and the user response, -1. At this point, response sorts the sentences in an increasing order of similarity. -2 is the most similar sentence in the text. If the highest value of similarity is 0, a match hasn't been found, and the program gives a negative response. If not, it returns the sentence with maximum index of similarity.
At this point, MariaSole asks what information the customer needs. This question is inserted in a loop, which ends when the user writes no or one of the exit codes reported at the beginning of the code section. To answer the customer's question, the program searches in the correspondent country's website with the function response.
Let's see how it works. MariaSole says, "Hello, welcome to MariaSole Travel Agency. I'm here to help you plan your perfect holiday. Which country would you like to visit? Choose between the following. We can choose, for example, Spain." MariaSole says, "What do you want to know about this country? For example, I can say, is it worth seeing the Alhambra?" MariaSole answers, "Plan your sightseeing adventures and things to do with a list of top attractions in Spain. The Alhambra and General Life Gardens, but no matter how much you have read or how many pictures you have seen of Granada's Alhambra palaces, this Moorish pleasure palace will still take your breath away." Now MariaSole asks, "Do you need any more information?" We can answer no. MariaSole answers, "Goodbye, it has been a pleasure speaking to you."
Let's go to Italy now. What do you want to know about this country? I can ask, why is Pompeii famous? You'll find plenty to see and do and experience here. In its treasure-filled churches, its magnificent palace, lavish in the riches of European royalty, and its premier archaeological museum displaying the finds from nearby Pompeii. Do you want any more information? No? Goodbye, it has been a pleasure speaking to you.
This time, which is another country. For example, if I write France, MariaSole asks, "What do you want to know about this country?" I want to ask, why should I visit Paris? MariaSole replies, "Paris cityscape, including Hôtel des Invalides and the Eiffel Tower, appreciated for its elegance and joie de vivre. Paris is a grand European capital filled with architectural masterpieces like the Eiffel Tower and the Notre Dame Cathedral." MariaSole then asks, "Do you need any more information?" This program also ends if, instead of writing no, I write bye. MariaSole says, "Goodbye, it has been a pleasure speaking to you."
Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoyed our video. See you soon.